Hello and welcome to first lesson of HTML. In lesson 1, we will learn the basic tags of HTML. We will learn how to open the Notepad program or Notepad++ and how to create our first web page using HTML. And we will learn some tags such as DocType tag, HTML, head, title, and body tags. And we'll learn some formatting text tags like H1 to H6 and P stand for paragraph tag. And then we will learn how to save the web page. Let's start by open the Notepad program. Just go to the search box in Windows in your operating system and search for the program Notepad from here. Notepad program is used and found in all operating system. You can find it easily by pressing Notepad. We will start with the first tag. It's called DocType tag. It's written like this, opening tag and then exclamation mark, and then we will write DocType, DocType tag, and DocType is one word. And it doesn't matter if you write it in a capital letter or a small letter, as HTML is not case sensitive. You can type it small letter or capital letter. DocType. And then we will write the type of the document, DocType. And then the type is HTML, so we will write HTML. And it doesn't matter if you write it capital or small, it's not case sensitive. This tag informs the web browser like Google Chrome or Firefox or Internet Explorer or Microsoft Edge. It's a HTML file. The next tag is HTML. All HTML documents start with the HTML tag and ends with the /HTML. The first tag in any HTML is HTML tag, and the last tag of the HTML document is the /HTML. After we wrote the HTML tag, we have to start with the head tag. The head tag. This is the head of the web page. This tag includes the title tag. The head section starts with the head tag and ends with the /head. Between the head tag and its closing tag /head, we will write title tag. The title tag represents the title of the web page. So I will write here the title of the web page, title of the web page. The web page, and it's closed by /title. The tag title ends with the /title, and here the head tag, and it's found inside located in the head section. After the head section, we have the body section. Start with the body tag, and this is the document itself. What's written inside the document, the page itself? It will start with body and ends with the /body. /body. Inside the body tag, between body and /body tag, we write what's inside the web page. Let's say the contents of the web page shown here, the contents of the web page displayed here or written here, displayed here. Now we finished the simplest form of the HTML file. Now comes the time for saving the file. How to save the file? By going to the file menu and then choose save or save as. We will click save or save as and then select the location where you want to save your file. I will save it on the desktop and then write the name here, file name, write the name of the document. I will say it first web page, first web page, but I have to mention that the most important step is to save the file as .html. If you miss this step, your file will not be as an HTML file, it will be as a text file. But don't forget to save the file as .html and then click save. When you save and go to the desktop, we will find that it creates the file first web page, and as you see, it's can be opened using one of the web browser. Here I will use Google Chrome to open it. Just double click to open the file, and as shown here, this is the web page that we create. And as you see here, this is the title of the web page. The title of the web page, and this is represented in the code by this code. Title, the title of the web page, it's displayed here in the title bar of the web page. And here, the body, the contents of the web page, the contents of the web page displayed here. This is appear in the web page itself. Like, what if I want to add some formatting text and I want this statement, the contents of the web page displayed here, to be as a header, to be as a heading? How to make it? By adding the heading tag. We have here from H1, H1 stands for heading 1 tag, and you have to add the forward slash H1 to make it as a heading. Then we have, after you make any changes in the web page, in your document file, in your notepad file, just click on file, save, to save your changes, and then go to the web page itself and click refresh, reload this page. As you see, this is the representation of the heading tag. The text changed from normal text to the heading text, the contents of the web page displayed here. Now, if I would like to add a paragraph, so I will add the P tag, and then I can add, this is the first paragraph. I will write it. This is the first paragraph. And then you have to close the paragraph tag with the forward slash P. Now this is the heading. This tag is, this line represent a heading, and this line represent a paragraph. The tag P represent paragraph. Let's save and see the results. From file menu, click save, and then reload or refresh the web page. From here, as you see, this is the contents of the web page displayed here, is a heading. It's represented here in the code, and this is the first paragraph. This is as a paragraph. If I would like to add another heading, but now it will be smaller than the first one, I will add another tag, H2, and then I will write, this is the second heading. And then you have to close it with H2 tag, with H2, with the forward slash H2. This is the closing tag. This is the closing tag of H2. And then, and as you see, I wrote it here with capital letter, and I wrote it here with a small letter. And as I mentioned before, HTML is not case sensitive document. Here, as you see, I will add another paragraph. Write P, and then this is the second paragraph, and then close the P tag with the /P, and then let's see the result by clicking on File menu and then click Save. Here, if you go to and click on the Reload this page, as you see, this is heading 1. Heading 1, the contents of the web page displayed here. And this is the first paragraph represented here in this tag by this statement. This is the second heading, our second header. It's displayed here by this tag. And this is the second paragraph by using this tag. I will give you another hint that if you would like to change the background color of the web page, you can add an attribute to the body tag by adding BG color, and color written like this, and it's one word. This stands for background color. It's written BG color equal, and then you can add the color you want. But you have to choose basic colors: black, white, red, green, blue. I will choose yellow and click Save to see the result. File and then Save, and then click on the Reload to represent. As you see, the background changed to yellow because I add the attribute BG color equal yellow. I want to mention that there is a wonderful website can teach you how to use the HTML. It's called w3schools.com. w3schools.com. You can use this website to learn HTML, and it gives you the program similar to Notepad, and also give you the result when you save the file. Here you can learn HTML, and if you'd like to try it yourself, you can click on this icon, and then here is the code and here is the results. I will write here, this is the heading. As you see, I will write here my name. My name is Hazem Mohammed. Hazem Mohammed, and I will add in the paragraph section, I am a computer teacher, in the paragraph line. And if you would like to see the result of this type of this code, sorry, you can click on Run, and as you see, what's written between H1 and /H1 is written here, is displayed here as you wrote it, and then what's written between the P and /P, the opening tag and closing tag of paragraph, is displayed here. If you would like to save this file, you can click on the save icon and then click Save. It will be saved with this link. You can copy this link and paste it anywhere. Oh, this is the tag, the code you just wrote, and then when you click on Run, it will be translated and shown as in a web browser. And this is the end of our lesson today. Hope to see your assignments sooner, inshallah. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.